Hello there, my name is Dominic and this is how you reset a forgotten password on Vitron digital television. Before we go on, always try 0000 because that is the default password. If you still get a wrong password, then proceed. And to reset this password, we're going to enter into something known as the hidden factory menu. To do that, press menu followed by 1147. Alternatively, you can press source followed by 2580. This will bring you into the hidden factory settings. Now, disclaimer, please don't try and change anything you see here. There is a possibility you could destroy your motherboard. The very first setting, number 0, shipping init, that means shipping initialize. What you will do next is press the right navigation button. And that will reset the whole TV, including your forgotten password. You will have to go through the initial settings again. And now if we try to enter the password again, try the default password, which is 0000, you will see that password is working. So that is how you reset a forgotten password on Vitron digital televisions. I saw exactly the same setting on this Vitron smart television powered by Wondershare operating system, and at the top you can see over there shipping initialize. So I'm pretty confident that this will work on some Vitron smart televisions as well. So that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching to the end, and goodbye.